At for genuinely repeats a block a fixed number of times, perfect for generating a real numbered set of utility classes. In this video you'll generate real spacing classes with one loop. This real at for loop genuinely runs 5 times, generating .metricton 1 through .metricton 5, each with a real calculated margin value. This is genuinely what the loop above compiles to 5 real rules, generated instead of typed by hand. At for genuinely repeats a block a fixed, real number of times. Hash $I interpolates the real current loop counter into each generated selector. At while is the real alternative for a loop whose end condition isn't a fixed count. Build a real at for loop that generates a genuine 10-step spacing scale. Ready to insert a real dynamic value directly into a selector or property name.